Exercise 6.6 question number 1. In this given figure, PS bisects angle QPR of triangle PQR. PQR is a triangle and PS is bisector of angle QPR. Then we have to prove that QS by SR is equal to PQ by PR. In this question we have to prove that angle bisector of an angle of a triangle divides the opposite side in the ratio of the sides containing the angle. PS bisects angle QPR, opposite side QR is bisected by this angle bisector PS in the ratio of QS by SR, and we have to prove that QS by SR is equal to PQ by PR. So let's write given PS bisects angle QPR of triangle PQR. To prove QS by SR is equal to PQ by PR. To prove this result, we have constructed RT parallel to SP, which meets QP produced at a point T. So construction. Draw RT parallel to SP. To meet QP produced in T. Now we shall start the proof. Let this angle be 1, this angle be 2, this angle be 3, and this angle be 4. So here by construction, RT is parallel to SP and PR is edge transversal. Therefore, angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles. PS bisects angle QPR, so angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because PS bisects angle QPR. Therefore, angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Also, angle 1 is equal to angle 4. Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal because RT is parallel to SP and QT is as transversal. So angle 1 is equal to angle 4, and here we have angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Therefore, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Now see triangle PRT. In triangle PRT, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Therefore, sides opposite to equal angles will be equal, and this implies PT is equal to PR. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. So PT is equal to PR. Now in triangle TQR, SP is parallel to RT by construction. Therefore, by applying basic proportionality theorem, we can write QS by SR is equal to QP by PT. This is from basic proportionality theorem. This implies QS by SR is equal to QP by PT is equal to PR. So let's write QP by PR, because PT is equal to PR. And now this implies QS by SR is equal to QP can be written PQ, PQ by PR. And this is the result which was to be proved in the question, and we have proved it like this. Hence proved.